Morning guys, welcome back to my grammar channel. Today I am going to start last part of the modal verb, that is must, strong necessity. So must is used for strong necessity. Let's see the example. I must finish this work today. So this sentence is saying that is very important, or necessity. I must finish this work today. In such situation we use the modal must. We must improve our communication. We must improve our English. We must improve our handwriting. So these all in all the sentences, that is very important or necessity to complete our work by today. So in such situation we are using the modal must. So must is used for sometime rules or obligation. For example, students must maintain discipline. Student must wear a complete uniform. So that is a rules they should follow. And the obligation, employees must attend the meeting. So in both the situation, in the rules and the obligation way, must can be used. So next we can also use the must in the negative form, that is subject plus must not, and the must not contraction form is mustn't with the base form of V1. So student must not make noise in class. We must not waste water. Children must not use rude language. So in such situation, in the negative form, we can use a must along with a negative form, that is not. So let's see, the must is also used for the advice, that is you must practice English daily. You must solve the sum daily. You must travel in the bus. So children must eat healthy food. So next we can use a must in the question form also. Very rarely we are using this question form. Same thing, first is a modal verb, that is must, then subject, then the V verb. Let's see the example. Must we attend the function? Here it's in this sentence it shows the requirement, need. Must we attend function? It shows the obligation also. Must students bring notebook daily? Must she write a story? So very rarely and very less we are using the must in the question form. So I hope you understand the must is used for the strong necessity, sometime I advise or rules, all the obligation. So today I have completed the modal verb in all the modal, that is can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and the must. So I hope you got a clear idea how the modal is used in our communication. So in the most of the modal verb, it repeats the advice, suggestion, obligation, but you have to use a modal verb in the correct situation, that you require a more practice and make a more sentences and use in your daily communication. In the next lesson I am going to start a semi-modal, that is linked with the modal. So you will get to know clarity about how the semi-modal and the modal we can use in our communication. But stay with me to learn more grammar and improve your language in your daily communication. But before that, don't forget to share this video to your friends and relatives. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Thank you.